Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Build Your English podcast. I'm Mia, and today we're talking about a safe house, your home, your space, your little place that feels calm and cozy. Not perfect, not fancy, just safe.
And I'm Leo. And yes, I'm awake today. New episode, new energy. I'm ready to talk about the most important thing in any house: comfort.
Comfort is a good start. Okay, when you hear safe house, what do you think about first?
I think about the moment I open the door. I walk in, I take a deep breath, and my shoulders go down. It's like my body says, okay, we're back. And then I take off my shoes like it's a sacred rule. Shoes off, peace on.
Shoes off, peace on. I love that. For me, a safe house is where my mind gets quiet. Even if I had a busy day, home helps me slow down.
Yes, home is like a pause button.
Exactly. Let's do a simple home tour, but a real one. Not like those perfect videos, just normal rooms, normal things. Leo, which room feels the most safe for you?
Living room, because living room is where comfort lives. Sofa, pillows, lamp, blanket. It's like the room is hugging you.
Okay, describe your living room. Simple words.
I have a sofa. It's gray. It's soft. I have two pillows. I have a small table in front of the sofa. On that table, I usually have a mug, a remote, and one book. The book looks serious, but the truth is, I don't read it every day. I have a lamp in the corner, and I love that lamp. Warm light makes everything feel safe. I also have a rug, and the rug makes the room feel warm under my feet.
That sounds cozy. I like warm light too. I don't like bright ceiling light at night. It feels too strong.
Exactly. Ceiling light at night feels like a supermarket. Lamp light feels like home.
True. In my living room, I also have a sofa and a small table. I like a clean space. Not perfect, but clear. I like when the floor is open and the table is not full of stuff. It makes me feel calm.
Your living room has calm energy. My living room has cozy energy. Both are safe, just different.
So, in your living room, what do you do that makes you feel safe?
I sit down. I breathe. I take off my shoes. Sometimes I change into comfortable clothes. Then I do something simple. I listen to music. I watch something light. Or I do nothing. And I want to say this clearly. Doing nothing is important. Doing nothing is a skill.
Doing nothing is a skill, yes. For me, I feel safe when I sit with a warm drink. Tea, coffee, hot chocolate, and I like quiet music in the background.
Also, I like small home sounds, like the kettle, or water in the sink, or even the washing machine. It's a soft sound. It feels like life is happening, but it's not loud.
I know what you mean. Soft background sound feels comforting. Okay, now the bedroom. Bedrooms are usually safe places too. What is your bedroom like?
My bedroom is simple. I have a bed, a nightstand, a lamp, and a closet. I also have a chair that is very busy. The chair is always full of clothes. That chair is not a chair. That chair is a clothing parking lot.
A clothing parking lot. Very real. My bedroom is simple too. Bed, nightstand, lamp, closet. I like clean sheets. Clean sheets make me feel like I have my life together, even when I don't.
Clean sheets are magic. Clean sheets feel like tomorrow will be good.
Yes, and the bedroom feels private. It feels quiet. It's a place to rest.
It's also the no questions room. You can close the door. The world stays outside. You can be quiet. You can lie down. You can stare at the ceiling and think about nothing.
Ceiling time is real. What makes your bedroom cozy?
Warm light, soft blanket, good pillow. I'm very serious about pillows. A bad pillow can ruin your life, and I like when the room is not too cold. I want warm.
Warm is cozy. I also like warm light. I like the smell of clean laundry in the bedroom. When the room smells clean, I relax.
Smell is powerful. Smell can change your mood in 1 second.
Okay, speaking of smell, kitchen. The kitchen has strong smells. Food, coffee, toast. Is the kitchen a safe room for you?
Yes, but it depends. The kitchen is safe when it's clean. The kitchen is scary when the sink is full. A full sink is like a horror movie for adults.
Adult horror. Dishes. For me, the kitchen is very safe. I like simple cooking. Eggs, rice, soup, pasta, and I love the smell of coffee. Coffee makes the kitchen feel friendly.
The kitchen is the comfort factory. Even if you don't cook, the kitchen means warm drinks and snacks. And the fridge is there like a quiet hero.
The fridge hero again. Describe your kitchen. Simple.
I have a fridge, a stove, a sink, and cabinets. I have a kettle. I have a toaster. And I have too many mugs. I don't know how. Mugs multiply when I sleep. I also have a small table.
Mugs multiply, yes. In my kitchen, I keep it simple. I don't like too many things on the counter. When the counter is full, my brain feels full.
That makes sense. A clear counter is peaceful. It's like the kitchen is saying, relax, we're fine.
And where do you eat? At the table or on the sofa?
I eat on the sofa sometimes. I know, not perfect, but it's cozy. I sit, I eat, I relax.
Sofa dinner is a lifestyle. I eat at the table most days. It feels calm for me. It's like a small routine.
Your safe house is routine. My safe house is softness.
Great way to say it. Now, bathroom. Some people feel safe in the bathroom because of showers. How about you?
A clean bathroom is a safe bathroom. A warm shower is a safe feeling. Good soap, clean towel, warm water. This is comfort.
Yes, a shower can change your day. In my bathroom, I like a clean sink, a clean mirror, and a nice towel. Small things, but they matter.
Towels matter. A good towel is a hug. A bad towel is sandpaper.
Sandpaper towel is a tragedy. Okay, now a different question. Do you have a small safe spot in your home? Not a whole room, just a corner.
Yes, near the window in the living room. I have a small chair and a little table. On the table, I put a candle and sometimes a book. When I sit there, I feel quiet. I like looking outside. I like the sky. I like seeing people walking.
That sounds really nice. I also have a small corner I love, near my bookshelf. I sit there with tea. I like being close to books. It feels calm.
Books make a room feel smart, even if you don't read. They sit there like, we are knowledge.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about the entrance, the hallway, the place you see first when you come home. Do you have a hallway?
Yes, it's small. I have a shoe rack, I have hooks for jackets, and I have a little bowl for keys. The hallway is the switch zone. Outside Leo becomes home Leo.
I love that. My hallway also has a place for keys. I like when keys have a home. It makes life easier.
Yes, when keys have no home, keys go on vacation. Without you.
Keys go on vacation. Okay, now we talked about rooms, but a safe house is not only rooms, it's also habits. When you come home, what do you do first?
I open the door and I feel relief. Then shoes off. Then keys in the bowl. Then bag down. Then I change into comfortable clothes. That moment is amazing. It's like my body says, we can relax now.
Yes, comfortable clothes are a big part of feeling safe. When I come home, I take off my shoes, wash my hands, and change clothes. Then I do one small thing, just one, like put one item away. It helps my mind feel calm.
You do one small thing. I do one big thing. I sit on the sofa.
Rest is important too. Now, lighting. Bright light or soft light at home?
Soft light, always. Bright light feels like work. Soft light feels like home.
Same. Warm lamplight in the evening is the best. It makes the room feel cozy.
Cozy is a powerful word. Cozy means warm, soft, safe, and calm. Cozy is like happiness in a room.
Happiness in a room. Yes. Okay, sounds. Silence or background sound?
Background sound but soft. Calm music. Rain sounds. A quiet podcast. Not loud, not intense.
I like silence sometimes, but soft sound is comforting when the day is stressful.
And smell matters. What smell makes you feel safe?
Coffee, clean laundry, and soap after a shower. Those smells feel fresh.
Coffee is number one. Also toast. Also soup. Soup smells like comfort.
Soup is very comforting. Okay, now I want to ask a fun question. If your home had a safe house rule, what would it be?
Easy. No shoes inside. Shoes bring outside stress. Shoes bring outside dirt. Shoes bring outside drama. Shoes off. Peace on.
You already have your slogan. My safe house rule is one clear space. Just one. Maybe the table, maybe the sofa, maybe the bed. One place that is not messy. When I see one clear space, I feel okay.
That's smart, because mess can make your brain noisy.
Exactly. And to be honest, homes are not perfect. Is your home always clean?
No, my home has good days and bad days. Some days it's clean. Some days it looks like I raced with time and time won.
Same. I like clean, but life happens. Sometimes the sink is full. Sometimes the table has stuff. It's normal.
A safe house is not a museum. It's a real place with real life.
Exactly. Safe is not perfect. Safe is comfortable. Safe is, I can relax here.
Safe is, I can be myself here.
Okay, let's do a small friendly game. I say a room, and you say one thing you love in that room. Ready?
I'm ready. This is my moment.
Living room.
Sofa.
Bedroom.
Blanket.
Kitchen.
Fridge. Because the fridge has options.
Options are safe. Bathroom.
Hot shower.
Great. Now I'll answer too. Living room. My plant by the window. Bedroom. Clean sheets. Kitchen. Coffee machine. Bathroom. Clean towel.
Your answers are so neat. Mine are like a comfort menu.
A comfort menu is good. Okay, I want to talk about something that many people love, the window. Do you like windows open or closed at home?
Open in the morning, just a little. Fresh air feels good. But if it's noisy, I close it. I want calm. And when it rains, I love it. Rain makes everything feel cozy. The sound is soft. The light is soft. It feels safe.
Rain is cozy, yes. And sunlight is cozy too. In the morning, sunlight feels hopeful, like the day is new.
Sunlight is nice, but not too early. I'm friendly, but I'm not a superhero.
Fair. Okay, now imagine this. It's a long day. You are tired. You open the door. What do you want to see to feel safe, fast?
Soft light. A clean-ish space. Not perfect, but not chaos. I want my sofa. I want a warm drink. And I want quiet. Even 5 minutes of quiet helps me breathe.
That's a great answer. For me, I want my home to feel like me. I want calm space, warm light, and a small routine. Wash hands, change clothes, drink something warm. Small things help a lot.
Yes, your home is like your personality. It doesn't need to look like someone else's home. It needs to feel like your home.
Exactly. And your safe house doesn't need to be big. It can be a small apartment. It can be one room. It can be one corner.
One chair by the window, one blanket, one lamp, one mug. Small things can feel very safe.
Now I want to add something fun. A safe object. Do you have one object at home that makes you feel safe?
Yes, my blanket. It's not just a blanket, it's a professional comfort worker. If I'm stressed, blanket. If I'm cold, blanket. If I'm watching a movie, blanket. It's always there.
Professional comfort worker. For me, it's my mug. I have one favorite mug. When I hold it, I feel calm. It's like a small daily ritual.
Mugs are powerful. A good mug makes a drink taste better. It's science.
It's science. Okay, another question. Do you like to be alone at home, or do you like people in your home?
Both. I like alone time because it's quiet, but I also like having one friend over. One friend is perfect. Not 10 friends. 10 friends is chaos. One friend is cozy.
One friend is cozy. Yes, if a friend comes to your home, what do you do to make them feel safe?
I offer a drink, water, tea, coffee. Then I say, sit anywhere. And I bring a blanket, because blankets make people relax. Also, I bring snacks. Snacks are love.
Snacks are love. I do similar. I offer tea or coffee. I make the space comfortable. I like soft light. And I like a clean spot to sit. Not perfect, just welcoming.
Yes, Safe House is also about welcome.
Exactly. Okay, small habits again. Do you have a cozy routine at night?
Yes, at night I like to make the living room cozy. I turn on the lamp, I sit on the sofa. I watch something simple or listen to music. Then I go to the bedroom and I make the bed feel nice. And I like the feeling of closing the day, like, okay, done.
That's really nice. At night, I like a calm routine too. I tidy a little, just a little. I wash my face. I put on comfortable clothes. Then I sit with tea for a few minutes. It's a soft ending.
Soft ending is important because the day can be loud. Home helps you end the day gently.
Yes, and Safe House can also be about memories. Do you have a memory at home that makes you smile? Something small.
Yes, on my wall I have a small photo. It's not fancy, but when I see it, I feel warm. It reminds me of a good day. And I like that my home has little reminders like that.
That's beautiful. I have a small corner with a few things I love, like a book, a photo, a little plant. When I see it, I feel calm.
It's like your home says, this is you.
Exactly. Okay, listener's question. If you are at home now, look around. What room feels the most safe for you? Bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, or a small corner?
And what makes it safe? Is it the light, the smell, the sound, the blanket, the chair, the quiet, or the snacks?
Always snacks with Leo. Okay, one last fun question. If you could add one thing to your home to make it more cozy, what would you add?
A softer rug, warm under my feet, and maybe one more lamp. More lamps, less ceiling light. That's my house plan. Also, a second blanket. One blanket is good. 2 blankets is luxury.
2 blankets is luxury. For me, I would add one more plant. Just a little more green.
Plants are your cozy language.
They really are. Okay, let's wrap up.
Thank you for listening. Your safe house doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to feel okay. One room, one corner, one small habit. Enough.
That's it for today's episode of the Build Your English podcast. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. And may your keys stay where you put them.